The Only Exception by Paramore, so I hope you like it. When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. Oh, you are the only exception. Oh, you are the only exception. Oh, you are the only exception. Baby, I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts. But we've got to find other ways to make it alone and keep a straight face. But I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. But up until now I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. Well, you are the only exception. 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 I got a tight grip on reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me here. I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof it's not a dream. Whoa, you are the only exception. 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 That's it. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.